Prepositions. Underneath. The ball is underneath the box. Through. The bar is running through the box. Over. The ball is over the box. Outside. The ball is outside the box. On. The ball is on the box. Next to. The ball is next to the box. Near. The ball is near the box. Inside. The ball is inside the box. In front of. The ball is in front of the box. In. The ball is in the box. By. The ball is by the box. Between. The ball is between the boxes. Beside. The ball is beside the box. Beneath. The ball is beneath the box. Below. The ball is below the box. Behind. The ball is behind the box. Around. The balls are around the box. Among. The ball is among the boxes. Against. The bar is laying against the box. Across. The bar is laying across the boxes. Above. The ball is above the box. Between. The ball is between the boxes.